Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger. Today we will learn how to enable or disable auto-download media when using mobile data. Let me show you how can we do that. First, click on Signal app icon. Click on three dots which showing on top right. Click on Setting. Scroll down till we get Data and Storage. Here is Media Auto Download. Click on when using mobile data. Here you can set Media Auto Download when using mobile data like image, audio, video, documents. After that, press OK. That's it. If this is your first time you're watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment, and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.